Hello everyone, I am Prem KV. Today I am going to present Twitter. Twitter is one of the top social media company in the world. These are the contents I want to share with you. Introduction, Twitter slogan, history, founders, facts, geographical view, how artificial intelligence used in Twitter, and finally conclusion. Before going to introduction, here we can see the headquarter of the Twitter is there in San Francisco, California. Introduction. Twitter is an American microblogging and social networking service on which users post and interact with messages known as tweets. Registered user can post, like, and retweet tweets, but unregistered user can only read them. User access Twitter through its website interface or its mobile device application software. Twitter slogan. See what's happening in the world right now, whether it is political news, or sports news, or entertainment news, or any kind of news. History. The first Twitter prototype developed by Dorsey and contractor Florian Weber was used in internal services for audio employees, and the full version was introduced publicly on July 15, 2006. In 2009, Twitter moved up to the third highest ranking social networking site in January 2009 from its previous rank of 22nd. In June of 2009, Twitter is rumored to have e-commerce plan and open Firehouse access to Google and Bing. The first assisted of Earth Twitter message was posted from the International Space Station by NASA astronaut T.J. Kramer on January 22, 2010. On April 5th, 2011, Twitter tested a new homepage and phased out the old Twitter. On February 21st, 2012, it was announced that Twitter and Yandex agreed to partnership. On April 18th, 2013, Twitter launched a music app called Twitter Music for the iPhone. On June 19, 2014, Twitter announced that it had reached a undisclosed deal to buy Snappy TV, a service that helps edit and share video from television broadcast. On July 31st, 2014, Twitter announced that it had acquired a small password security startup called Metro. On March 13, 2015, the app that allow live streaming of video. In 2020, during COVID-19 pandemic in 2020, Twitter saw an increased user use of the platform for misinformation related to the pandemic. Present CEO of Twitter, Jack Dorsey, CEO of Twitter. Jack Patrick Dorsey is an American billionaire, technology enterpriser, and philanthropist who is the co-founder and CEO of Twitter and founder and CEO of Square. Square is a financial payment company. Born 19 November 1976, age 44, height 1.8 meter, net worth 1 1460 crores USD. Education, Bishop Dubourg High School. Parents, Marcia Dorsey, Tim Dorsey. In this picture, you see the co-founders Noah Glass, Biz Stone, Evan William. Here you see the first sketch of Twitter. This is the user status. In this picture, we see the input of name, email, phone number are the input. Jack Dorsey takes the two example in bed going to park. These two are the examples. Product and services. The company's product and services, including in Twitter, Periscope, promoted tweets, promoted accounts, and promoted trends. Its Twitter is a platform for public self-expression and conversation in real time. Evolution of logo. Before introduced mobile phones, people are using birds to send the message one place to another. That's why Twitter takes the bird as a logo. The bird called Larry. Twitter mission, vision, and values. Twitter mission statement: reach the largest daily audience in the world by connecting everyone to their world. We our information sharing and distribution platform product and be one of the top revenue generating internet companies in the world. Twitter vision statement: we believe in free expression and think every voice has the power to impact the world. Twitter value statement: what are the Twitter core values? Grow our business in a way that make us proud. Recognize that passion and personality matter. Communicate fearlessly to build trust. Depend and respect the user voice. Reach every person on the planet. Innovate through experimentation. Seek diverse perspective. Be rigorous. Facts: approximately 350,000 tweets are posted every minute. One of the original idea for a name was French Taker. The hashtag was first introduced in 2007. The famous blue Twitter bird is called Larry. The very first tweet was posted on March 21st, 2006. Twitter geographical presence. People are using Twitter all over the world. Most of United States people are using 53.7% people are using Twitter. SWOT analysis of typical startup social media strategy. Strength: lower employment cost, deep sales orientation for quick ROI, time savvy management, quality over quantity. Weakness: SMM tools overdose are insufficiently. No frontier between your community and your brand. Single and narrow-minded focus on your content. Poor list of traffic source. Opportunity: strong, loyal, and educated community. Quick access to customer issues. Target and sales ready traffic. Increased in investment opportunities. Threats: just another startup. Reputation, brand impersonality, and medical engagement. Lost trust. Impression of industry in competition. Low CTRS. How artificial intelligence used in Twitter. AI used in Twitter. With over 326 million monthly active users, Twitter has slowly become a part and parcel of our daily lives. From celebrity feeds to trending news, Twitter offers a range of the entertainment option to its user. Not only this, even business can use the platform to promote events, market, and spread awareness about their brand. No wonder the platform is using artificial intelligence to improve the experience of the user who regularly visit Twitter. Let's see how to utilize artificial intelligence in Twitter. Twitter faced a showing relevant tweets suggestion to every user. While a tweet related to fashion may be relevant to one user, it may not mean anything to another. Artificial intelligence is a tool that helped Twitter achieve this. Now the AI algorithms are used to scan and then score various tweets to rank them according to every individual performance. We all know that UK and Germany government are becoming strict by the day when it is about racist comments, fake news, illegal content, and hate speech on the internet. Hence, Twitter is also reducing racist and other offensive content on the platform with AI. It is amazing to note that in just the first 6 months of AI usage, Twitter was successfully eliminating 3 lakh Twitter accounts related to terrorists. Most of these terrorist accounts are the account promoting such as activities were identified with the help of AI algorithms. Conclusion: Twitter can be an immensely powerful tool for the organization that want to make a difference in the world. The key is learning the most effective way to use the real-time information network to meet these aims. In Twitter for Good, we explored how many organizations can best excel on Twitter using straightforward and effective framework. The mission of Twitter to promote open information is at the heart of case based work, and my hope is that my model will help to reach these aims. Twitter works because it is simple and easy to use. The barrier to entry is low, and the potential for impact is high. As such, it levels the playing field for change activation. In turn, the tweet framework is modeled after the very platform it references. Thank you.